providing respite for the family caregiver. Progress is being made on the home front for those caring for family members suffering from Alzheimer's or dementia. Currently, about 2/3 of Americans with those conditions are cared for at home. As the disease progresses, it carries with it a tremendous burden, both physically and psychologically, on the family members, usually the husband, wife, or partner who are doing the caregiving. That is why it is vital that the family access community support systems, such as local Alzheimer's organizations, that can provide reassurance and support groups. It is also important that family caregivers seek outside help if they feel they are becoming ill from the strain of caregiving as the disease progresses. The strain can easily become intolerable for spouses trying to cope all alone at home with an Alzheimer's sufferer, and they themselves can have a physical or mental breakdown. There should be no shame or guilt in seeking respite care from a professional home care agency. People who are not trained professionals often find it a strain to be caregivers, and should not feel that this makes them a bad or unloving partner or child. By turning to outside resources, a family can delay having to place Alzheimer's sufferers in a long-term care facility and, instead, keep them in the comfort of their own home. Interim Healthcare has formed a strategic partnership with the Alzheimer's Foundation of America, AFA, to support AFA's goals related to dementia care professionals, including raise the level of professional care provided to individuals who are suffering from Alzheimer's disease and dementia, support professionals as they support those in need by providing practical training, set standards of excellence through the AFA qualification program, offer networking and advocacy opportunities. Interim Healthcare, a leader in the home healthcare industry, recognizes the special needs of Alzheimer's and dementia patients and their families. Creating an Alzheimer's and dementia-friendly and safe environment is an important step in making it possible for people to remain at home much longer and further into the disease.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Transform your old articles and ebooks into brand new audio content and use it to create podcasts or videos for your YouTube or TV channel. Visit allsuper.info and ask our live support for details.